Autodesk Inventor 2023 delivers product enhancements, updates, and new functionality to help you build better products in less time. The Inventor experience relies on feedback from users via the beta program, Inventor ideas, and events throughout the year. Customer-driven improvements can be seen in virtually every aspect of Inventor, from interoperability improvements to parts, assemblies, and drawings. Inventor 2023 provides the performance and functionality you expect from a professional-grade engineering and design tool. You'll see performance improvements from complex modeling, design documentation, large assembly performance, and additional capabilities while working in Express mode. Model-based definition continues to be a focus for documenting your designs in 3D. 3D annotation enhancements will better prepare your designs for manufacturing. Brand new features such as the Mark command help to create laser markings, etchings, and engraving features that can be used for downstream purposes in assembly modeling and laser cutting on the shop floor. Inventor continues to provide a more connected experience when working with other tools. Securely share data between Revit and Inventor using an improved approach to seamless BIM and MCAD interoperability. You now have access to one-click workflows to send Inventor files directly to Fusion 360 for specific capabilities such as CAM, additive, simulation, and generative design. These connections extend Inventor's capabilities and improve coordination and collaboration. With enhancements and new product features, Autodesk Inventor 2023 helps you collaborate more effectively and be more productive while maintaining the flexibility you need to help build better products in less time.